Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including daily, weekly and weekend food hauls. I do beauty box unboxings, food subscription box unboxings. I also unbox things such as eyeshadow palettes, makeup, perfume, shoes, trainers, bags, and today's video is an unboxing of some trainers. These trainers are the Nike Epic React trainers in a pink colour, so very girly. I've not done a trainer unboxing in quite a while, so I thought I'd do one today. As you can see, they are really like pale pink sock style trainer. So they literally will grip your feet. Probably don't need to do the laces up. And it's a lovely material, you see. Really nice lightweight trainer. With the Nike swoosh, or Nike. And it says Nike there. And then there's the soles. I would definitely recommend going down half a size in these. These are about an inch or slightly more too big for me, so if you can go down half a size then they'll probably fit perfectly. I highly recommend them. They're really nice, they're stunning. They look better in person than they're showing on camera. They are £130 and I bought mine from ASOS, but I believe they are out of stock at ASOS, but I will still link them down below. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a video. I will be uploading more trainer sneaker unboxings very soon, so if you're subscribed you'll be alerted to that, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching everyone, bye.